Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Strategy Room. If you've ever dreamed of building your own online business, having financial freedom, and working from anywhere in the world, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping in 2025, and I'm going to show you exactly how to start your own dropshipping empire. Even if you have zero experience, this isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable and profitable business for the future. We're going to cover everything from the foundational steps to mastering the game, to getting those first crucial sales, and even unlocking some of the most lucrative niches for 2025. So, grab a coffee, a pen, and let's get ready to transform your entrepreneurial journey. First things first, what is dropshipping? In a nutshell, it's a retail fulfillment method where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your online store, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier, and they ship it directly to the customer. You never handle the product, and you never store inventory. This dramatically lowers your startup costs and removes a huge logistical headache, making it perfect for beginners. Now, why is 2025 the perfect time to get started? The e-commerce landscape is continually evolving, and with advancements in AI, automation, and global logistics, dropshipping is more accessible and efficient than ever before. Consumer buying habits are firmly entrenched in online shopping, and the demand for unique, niche products is higher than ever. If you missed out on the early e-commerce boom, this is your chance to jump in and make a real impact. Let us talk about those proven tips for beginners in 2025. My first tip is all about mindset. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, learning, and persistence. Treat it like a real business from day one, and you'll be far more likely to succeed. My second tip: focus on understanding your customer. Who are you selling to? What problems are you solving? What passions are you tapping into? This understanding is the bedrock of successful product selection and marketing. Next up, let's look at mastering dropshipping in 2025 with a complete step-by-step guide to success. Step 1 is definitely niche selection. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Find a specific group of people with specific needs or interests. We'll explore some top niches in a bit, but for now, think about what you're passionate about or what market gaps you see. Step 2 is supplier research. This is absolutely critical. A reliable supplier with quality products, fast shipping, and good communication is your backbone. Platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, Worldwide Brands, and Doba are popular starting points, but always do your due diligence. Check reviews, communicate with suppliers, and even order samples if possible. Don't compromise on this. Step 3 is building your online store. Shopify is hands down the most popular and user-friendly platform for dropshippers. It's incredibly intuitive, offers tons of apps, and makes it easy to create a professional-looking store without any coding knowledge. Focus on a clean design, high-quality product images, compelling descriptions, and a smooth checkout process. Your store is your storefront. Make it inviting and trustworthy. Step 4 involves setting up your payment gateways. PayPal, Stripe, and other local payment options are essential. Make sure your customers have secure and convenient ways to pay you. Step 5 is all about marketing and driving traffic to your store. This is where most beginners struggle, but it's also where the magic happens. We're talking about social media marketing. Think TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Content marketing, SEO, and even paid ads on platforms like Google and Meta can bring in floods of potential customers. The key here is consistency and testing. Find what works for your niche and double down on it. Step 6 is customer service. Happy customers become repeat customers and brand advocates. Respond quickly to inquiries, handle disputes professionally, and always aim to exceed expectations. A great customer experience can truly set you apart. Now, you might be thinking, from zero to sales, how can I start dropshipping with no experience in 2025? And the answer is, absolutely. The beauty of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. You don't need a massive budget, a warehouse, or even previous business experience. What you need is a willingness to learn and adapt. Start small. Don't invest a ton of money into paid ads right away. Begin with organic social media marketing. Create engaging content around your niche. Use free tools and resources to learn about product research and market trends. Take advantage of YouTube tutorials like this one and online courses. Many successful dropshippers started with very little and learned along the way. The most important thing is to take that first step. Focus on one product or a very small collection of products initially. Master the marketing for those few items, get your first sales, and then scale up. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to launch an entire department store from day one. Simplicity and focus are your friends when you're starting with no experience. Alright, let us unlock the secrets. Top 5 dropshipping niches to explore in 2025. These niches are showing strong growth, have passionate audiences, and offer unique product opportunities. First up, sustainable and eco-friendly products. Consumers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact. Think reusable goods, upcycled items, energy-efficient gadgets, or products made from sustainable materials. This niche has a strong ethical appeal and a growing customer base. Second, pet accessories and gadgets. The pet industry is booming, and people treat their pets like family. Innovative pet toys, smart feeders, unique apparel, or health monitoring devices for pets are all hot commodities. Owners are always looking for ways to improve their furry friends' lives. Third, home office and productivity tools. With remote work becoming more commonplace, the demand for ergonomic office furniture, clever storage solutions, productivity gadgets, and aesthetic desk accessories is higher than ever. Help people create inspiring and efficient workspaces. Fourth, health and wellness tech. This includes wearable tech for fitness tracking, smart scales, massage devices, aromatherapy diffusers, and even mental wellness tools. People are investing more in their health and well-being, and technology plays a big role in that. And fifth, hobby-specific gear and collectibles. Think about niche hobbies like specialized coffee brewing, model building, unique art supplies, or even retro gaming accessories. These communities are incredibly passionate and are often willing to spend on high-quality or unique items related to their interests. The key here is to find a segment within a hobby that's underserved. Remember, within each of these broad niches, you'll want to find even more specific sub-niches to target. For example, within sustainable products, you might focus on zero-waste kitchen essentials. The more specific you get, the easier it is to find your target audience and market effectively. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting your dropshipping empire in 2025. From understanding the basics to mastering the steps, launching with no experience, and identifying top niches, you now have a solid roadmap. The journey won't always be easy, but the rewards of building your own successful online business are absolutely worth it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Make this moment perfect. Start researching, start planning, and most importantly, start taking action today. Your future self will thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on building your online business. We've got so much more coming your way. Until next time, happy dropshipping, and I'll see you in the next one.